Hey, this is Dark Jedi, and today we're going to be looking at some Pool Payday. They've made a cool announcement. We're going to go over that. But before we get started, if you've never made a deposit before, you're going to want to go over to the description of this video and click the link to get started. This will allow you to install the app, and when you make your first cash deposit, make sure you enter in the promo Dark Jedi SA, just like you see it there. That will ensure that you get a $20 bonus on your first deposit and a $10 bonus on your second deposit. So let's see that new update. Here it says, update now, new version available. It says new ways to play with optimizations and bug fixes. There's updates on things that you can earn, new queues, tables, emotes, and avatar frames. So make sure you have the most up-to-date version to see these changes in the game. And what's really cool is that they have seasons. So if you've played any game that rewards you for playing, it looks like here you can unlock some items. So just by playing the game, looks like right here, if you get your first real-time match win, you're going to get a custom table. And there's queues that you can win. There's tables, emotes, and frames. And they're all things that you can earn while playing. And it says that the season ends in 48 days. So I wonder if you can unlock them for free during the season, and then after that you have to pay to or use Z tokens to unlock them. I don't think anyone really knows yet. But let's jump into a real-time match and check out these updates in person. Now, whoever is the one that is breaking is going to have the table. So I don't have a custom table yet. So if I'm breaking, it's going to be the default table. And I am breaking, so it looks like we are in the default table. So let's go ahead and get started. And I chose, you have a choice between a red queue and a blue queue. And I think there's, once you equip a queue, you get an ability to add in an additional queue. So I'm using an upgraded queue, but I didn't really have to do anything hard to get it. It looks like this person is using the blue queue. So let's see what they do. All we need to do is get a win, and I'll have the custom table. And this window looks completely different. So the emotes screen looks a little bit more flat. It looks less 3D. It looks more cartoony. And then some of the comments here, there's a few more things that you can say. So there's the cuss word and the ... Those are new in there. So let's see. Hopefully I can win a match so I can get the table and do that for you now. But let me know in the comments, what do you think about these improvements, these changes? It definitely gives you many reasons to play, to be engaged, and to win some matches. Now, here's what's worrying me about this match as it's developing. There's really not any trouble balls or any challenge balls that this person has. Really, it's the 13 that might give them a little bit of trouble, but not really. Especially after potting the 15, they might be able to just bring it back to the 13. And the 8 ball's right there in the side, so I do have a few balls that are blocking. Oh! That was probably the worst possible way to play that, because that... very little options to bank. If they do bank, it's not going to be an accurate shot. So let's see how this plays out. A little bit of spin, kick it out a little bit. Oof, that looks like it's going to be ball in hand. So I think what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take the purple into the side, the 4 ball into the side pocket here. Get that one out of the way. Put a little bit of spin on it. Oh my God, seriously? I don't know how that spin affected that shot like that. That should have went in. Well, let's see how that plays out. I think I lost. I think I lost on that shot. I don't know why I had to put spin on it. I just wanted to push the ball, the cue ball out after the shot, and I need to rewatch that play to see how that played out. Ooh, okay. I think he made that a little bit more difficult than he needed to, because now he has to watch for the running in the 8 ball, or running into the queue after making the 8. It's going to hit the 2 though, so yeah. Oh, get in there, get in there. No, okay. Well, let's jump into another match. So there you see I completed a mission. I'll go ahead and equip the frame. Man, I can't believe I missed that shot. That should have went straight in. I tell you, putting spin on the ball, it changes the way that ball goes when it connects. I didn't think putting the amount of spin that I put in there. Oh, so you see we're using a different table here, and it's someone else breaking. So let's see how this match plays out. So it looks like I will be able to play a little bit this time. I don't know why I screwed it up last time. We're going to go right there. Okay, take the 2 into the corner. Nope, not going to have it. I'm going to do the 1 in the corner. And the balls are spaced out pretty good. And I hate putting in any kind of spin because it just seems to affect the shot for me. All right, let's see here. I'm going to use the 2 to bank into my shot here. And that's not really a safe play, but it is a play that I want to try. So there it goes. I wanted to break up my balls, but my 2 ended up getting stuck in with the 4. So that wasn't ideal there. And here we're going to just put some back. Let's see. So really we only have the 3 balls left. And I don't really have a good shot. So, well, that's unfortunate. So here we're just going to do a Hail Mary and see what happens. That could have been worse. Well, let's see if this guy can run it out. The 10 ball seems to be the only... Oh, the 11's kind of wedged in there too. So we'll see what he can do with the 11 ball. The 10 ball looks like if you can just get around the 7, you can just run it all the way across. 13 ball into the corner. And I think... See, if he puts the 9 into the corner and lets the cue ball follow up. Oh, that might work. Ooh. Okay. Well, we got to bring the 2 down. And I swear the way the spin works in this game is just dumb. Because that 2 ball was lined up straight in there. Oh, and you see now the 11 can be freed up because the 9's in the pocket, so it doesn't even have to go in. That's pretty good. But let's see, can he follow that up? Let's see, maybe? The 2's going to get in the way, yeah. Decisions. Oh, ball in hand. Okay, so let's not screw this up. No crazy spin or anything. Let's just run it in. The 2, or the 4, the 2, and then the 7. Okay, come across into the corner here. The 8 ball's pinned in a little bit, but I don't think it's going to be an issue. That should be enough to get that 8 ball in. And now I just don't want to scratch. Perfect. All right, so we got our first win. And let's go ahead and equip the new table. So what do you think of the new updates? That pretty much concludes the video. Let me know if you take advantage of the $20 bonus and leave me a comment on your favorite emoji. Thanks.